Hey everybody, it's Alicia Mick here, your independent Scentsy consultant in Cypress, Texas. So Scentsy has an amazing join special for June, okay? Here's what you get. In addition to all the amazing things that already come in our join kit, you get a free Scentsy Go and a free pack of pods. What? Okay, so here's the deets. It's not too good to be true, I promise. You can either get our $99 join kit, which means you sign up, you join, and then we just launch your business from there. Or you can host, and if you hit a qualifying party total of $200 before tax and shipping, you can apply those rewards towards a host exclusive join kit. So the regular $99 join kit has the large party testers, catalogs, a warmer, wax, I think some washer whiffs, a buddy clip. It's a larger size kit, okay? And you get the Scentsy Go and pods. Or the host exclusive kit includes a full set of the mini testers, a warmer, catalogs, etc. So either package is an amazing value, okay? If you want to take advantage of this join special, because we never know when these are going to come along, okay? Sometimes they do different things, sometimes they don't. Sometimes it's just the normal kits. So if you want to take advantage of this, contact me today, okay? Let's get you going, get the ball rolling, okay? Because I do not want you to miss this. This is a $60 value, US dollars, $60 value. You're either going to get the rose gold or the silver band Scentsy picks, which one they send you. And the pods, it's a mystery. You don't know which set you're going to get. But this is valued at $60, okay? So that's in addition to everything you're already getting. It's amazing, guys. Contact me for more details, or if you just want to join, let's do it, okay? The link is in the comments. I hope you have a great day. Bye.